Hello friends, Nihar from here. Today we are going to talk about EC2 in AWS. What is EC2? That will be talked in today's video. Let's go to start it. Then after the login, you can see here is the service option in here. Okay. Then here is the compute. Then below you can see EC2. Just click the EC2. So before you go to the EC2, guys, you have to understand what is the EC2. EC2 is Elastic Compute Cloud that providing to developers secure and reliable compute capacity inside the cloud. Let's go to create a EC2. Guys, you can see in the left side here is the instance and below is the instance new. Just click the instance. When we are going to create an instance, that time everything is coming. First, here is the step is launch the instance. Just click the launch instance. Once you click the launch instance, here is your first step is create a AMI, Amazon Machine Image. What is that, guys? Amazon Machine Image is a template that contains the software configuration like as operating system, application server and application. It's very essential to launch an instance. You have to create a AMI. Now I am going to select this one. Just click the select Amazon Linux to AMI. Select. Then here is number of instance. Choose an instance type. Here is the instance type contain with the CPU, memory, GPU, storage, network capacity, everything you can be seen here. I am going to select this one. Its defaults already selected. Just click the next, create a instance. Then after here is coming number of instance. It's depend upon you. You can be increase or decrease. And here guys you can be read everything. That's how to create a VPC and create a new directory. I am just going to skip this one because I am going to show you how you can create a single instance inside the AMI. Let's go to the storage, click the next and add storage. Here is the storage, size is GIB 8 and I am going to choose in here. And there is next you have to click the add the tag. Tag, guys, you know, just remember, easy to find out. Okay, so I am going to create a tag. Here is the tag name. And the name I am going to write it, and value I am going to add. Okay, then click the next security group. Well guys, here is one warning is coming because here is default 000. It's saying if you providing default, then everyone can access your instance. If you providing particular IP address, then it will be someone's can be know what is your instance. So I am just keeping it, everyone can be see my instance in here. Just click the review and launch. Just review in your process what you done just few minutes before. Here is update. If you want to update, you can be edit it. Here is below can be tag, you can be edit it. Here is everything, the storage, what you use, how much. It's everything showing in here. If you want to edit, just click the edit, you can be edit it. Okay, just click the previous, okay, then click the review and the launch. Then again you after the review everything, just click the launch. Once you click the launch, you have to choose, here is the key pair. Okay, so guys here I am going to choose the key pair, create a new key pair, and here it's asking to the name. I am going to write a name. Okay, then you have to download a key pair because you will be choose one public key that AWS will be stored and one private key that you are going to download. Just click the download. It will be downloaded in here. Then after you click the launch the instance, just click it. Now your instance are now launching. Okay, if you want to view, just Below you can be see view your instance, click it. Yeah, it's now showing is pending. Just refresh the screen. Okay, the name I maybe choose it blank. Here you can be edit it. Option is here. N5. Okay, here is the name is N5. This is our instance. Okay, once you select the instance, here is number of options is here. If you want to stop the instance, you can be clicking stop and terminate in here. Guys, this is a short video is know how to create a instance using the AMI. So guys, before you have to clear what is the EC2 and what is the AMI, then what is the instance and instance configuration, then security, then after you launch a instance using one public key that will be AWS and one private key that you will be keep for your security. Okay, that's everything. If you guys like this video, please subscribe me and see you with next some new video. Till then, goodbye.